We would do a flip through of my finished journal. Hooray! It's finally done. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I ended up putting a little wooden bumblebee on the cover from Dollar Tree. And I ended up sewing all these cute little buttons on the spine. This is what the tabs look like. I just love how the tabs look. And then we're going to just open it up and see what's inside. So, remember this little gusseted envelope? Well, I ended up making a new one because I had forgotten to leave a spot to put my closure. So inside here, I decided to put just a few little goodies, some envelopes and tags and stickers, so that, let's see, it's not quite showing up, is it? So that my daughter could have, you know, a few additional items to decorate with or put things in that she collects. So we've got that. The first signature. So make sure we're here. I did put some pictures already on there, and then you saw me make this little file folder booklet here. And the fabric flip. Let's see. Precious baby, you're finally here. They could put a little picture of the baby there. His name, birth date, birthplace, birth weight, time, height, all that good information. And then we have a little pocket here for his 1 month day. And in each month pocket, I just have a little colored envelope and just a little piece of paper folded to look like a little card. So she can write additional thoughts if she wants to. So that's in every month's pocket. Different colors, different patterned papers, and I did leave some blank pages so that she could put pictures. And then we have important first, you know, like first smile, first laugh, first tooth. And then here's the second month, and we have this envelope with some yellow paper in there. And I did use index cards to make all the months pockets. Some blank papers. I think you saw me make these tags. I put a little fox sticker on that one. And then over here we've got this one. And some more blank pages, decorative pages. I have a hard time not decorating every page, but you know. And then we have this pocket with a little envelope. Yeah, I have a hard time not trying to decorate every page, but some people just want to put pictures on. And then we have this little swinging tag. I made the paper raggedy notepad. And then here's 4 months, the blue envelope. And then we have this little pretty tag. I just love that tag so much. And that's the first signature. Second signature, we have a little, like I call this Harlequin. I don't know if it is, but a little tag with, inside that little pocket with some stickers, or actually it's a bag. And then we have a different style of envelope for this one, for 5 months. But the same thing is inside, a little paper card, if you will. So we've got that there. That's going to go there. And then you saw this one already. First Halloween. So cute. I tried to find vintage cards for the holidays. And then we're coming up. This page is going to be a hard one because what are you going to do with it? I didn't understand that page, to be honest, but it was cute, so I put it in there. And then in this pocket, I ended up just making this tag with the different papers that were used in, you know, in the pages. Then this is the first Thanksgiving, and inside I just put a plain tag with owl stamps on each side. So we've got that, and then we have this. Some of these pages you have definitely already seen. 6 months, and this type of tag again with another little card thing in there. We have this tag, or this journaling card, in this our pocket. Up in this pocket we have the Christmas tag, and I just stamped a little purple snowflake on there. So that's in this pocket. And then on the opposite page you can see is decorated for baby's first Christmas. And then over here we have another page for Christmas. I would use a lot of pages for first birthdays and Christmases. 7 months is pink, and we have a pink patterned paper in there. What's in here? Oh, this is just a tag, a normal tag. There we go. It's got ticker on it, and that goes in there. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it's hard to put everything back in, isn't it? We'll get that there, and this goes here. Then we have this little tag. Some blank pages, sort of blank. 8 months, green, with a green paper in there. I don't know if that's interesting if you actually care about seeing each one. We have a little place to write a hiding spot, memories. What does that say? Perfect day. And that's the end of the second signature. Then we have a 9 months card and a sticker that says remember. Like I almost was going to put a sticker or something on every page, but I refrained from doing that too much. And then this says happiness, and then we have this little waterfall here. What does that say? I can't even read that upside. Oh, winter. Valentine's Day. And inside here we have a baby's first Valentine's card. Keep moving on. We've got 10 months, and it's got another card and paper card in there. Traditions. 11 months is green, with a green card in there. I think you can see it. I'm not going to take that one out. Then over here I just drew some flowers on this tag, and inside was this card. And we've got that. Okay, and then we have our first birthday with a little tag there, or journaling card I should say. I allotted several pages for birthday pictures and such. And then we have this little pocket here with Piglet. Spring. Spring will be when the baby's first birthday comes around in April. What does that say? Togetherness. Another hidden journaling spot. Precious days. And Happy Easter. And we got this cute little Easter card in there. And then this says Picture Perfect and Laughter. And then we have our library card pocket with the library card and Roo and Kanga. And that is it for this journal. Now that it's finally done, I can move on to other adventures, and I hope you will join me. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for supporting this channel, and we will see you again next time.